This RR talks about the validity of the certificate authorizing registration or e-car. If you are not familiar, yung e-car kasi, this is issued by the BAR that allows the Land Registration Authority or the LRA to transfer ownership of real property. So this can be sale, donation, or other mode of transfers. The car is issued by the BAR as proof na nabayaran mo na yung mga taxes, ready na for transfer ang property natin. Tinanggal na ang validity ng 5 years since yung ini-issue na e-car meron ng embedded na barcode which is being used by the LRA. Since naka-tie up na ang system ng BAR with the LRA with the issuance of e-car, so there is no need for the 5-year validation. Yun ang nagiging concern kasi ng mga taxpayers dati na kapag sumusobra na ng 5 years, they have to request for another copy which syempre mas hassle and may additional costs pa yan.